Hello, inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. You might remember this boat. This is the one I stabbed 3 times and put some repair tape on it just to see how well repair tape works for boat repairs, if that makes any sense. I can't remember how long ago that was. I think it was about 8 months. I'll put that up there now when we actually did that. It's currently August, and yeah, I think it's about 8 to 10 months ago. Let me show you what they're like. So this is where I did the damage. So that was the Tyvek tape, tear aid, and that was tough tape. And as you can see, the integrity is still intact. I've literally just done a little whitewater run down here in this craft. And anyway, the reason why we're here today, I'm just drying this off at the moment. I've got 2 more tapes to try, so we'll do those here. We're going to stab it again. Stab it! So the 2 tapes that we're going to try today, we've got Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal, stops leaks instantly. So permanent rubberized tape, so that should be good stuff. And then this is one of those Butyl tape, Butyl repair tapes. It's a cheap one from Amazonia, so let's give that a go as well. It does say permanent bond, use indoor and out, instant watertight seal, non-yellowing. Not that that really makes a difference to me. Okay, so just to be clear, I did get told off last time I did this that I didn't put round patches on. But the whole idea of this, it was a quick field test to just see how quick you could repair one of these boats with a bit of this tape. Because I've got a bit more time today, I've cut these a bit more circular. Now these do have a backing on them, both of them. So you do have to be aware of that, which is quite good because it means, well, I don't know what it means, but it's just helpful. So here's my little knife. So what we'll do is we'll put a hole here for the butyl. Pop! See that, can't you? Just make it a bit bigger so you can see it, so you know I've definitely done it. And then we'll stick that one on. There's a bit of a difference with these tapes from these in that these are a bit more raised, so there is potential for something to catch on these. So that's the butyl one on. Right, we'll just stab and do the gorilla. Stab. Oh, that's quite a big hole. And then we'll take this backing off and stick that over there. So I'm just working out from the middle just to get any air holes out. So one of the reasons why I've done these with the boat inflated is you might actually have to do that in the field, and so you might want to know that this will work. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this boat in the water, take it down that whitewater bit a few times, and we'll see how well it's faring up. My paddle's catching up. I'm stuck on the bottom. I'm rubbing the bottom. That doesn't sound right, does it? Right, so let's take this patched up baluta down here again. Whoop, hit the side. So I'm just dragging this along here just to give these patches a kind of good test, dragging them across these rocks and so on. And the only reason I'm showing you all of this is just so that you know that these have had a bit of a testing rather than just been stuck on as an emergency repair. You at least know they can withstand a bit of hammer. That's the plan, that's what I'm wanting to demonstrate. So we've done the little rapids bit in it a couple of times. I'm just going to leave that in the water now for a good while. What time have we got now? It's 10:49, so we'll come back to that in a bit and see what those patches are like and see if the boat's still you know, firm. It's still firm now, it's good. So this has been in water now for 2 or 3 hours, and the patches, they're under there. There you go, look. So I'm going to take this out and down that white water for a bit. This still feels really firm, feels really good. But I'm going to take it out again and have a little play, and we'll see how these patches kind of bear up. Right, one more pass down here and then we'll have a look at these patches. Like I say, it looks like I'm going to be on candid camera because the boys are recording me at the side there. Can you see him? Hey! Whoa! Right, let's flip this over and have a look at it. Now I can't see any bubbling around there, you know, from air leakage in. That actually feels really good. And so does the Butyl one. Obviously the other ones are still in place. So yeah, for me that's a win for Gorilla Tape and the Butyl tape. Oh look, can you see that little bump there? That's where the hole is. You can see, because when I push it down, it kind of pushes out a little bit. Can we see that on the Gorilla one? No, can't see that at all. Oh, there, perhaps. That might be it. That might be it. But yeah, as you can see though, there's no air getting past the tape seal. Winner on both counts. So both of those would work as emergency repairs. As you know, sometime down the line I'm going to end up doing something else on this boat, and we'll see whether they last. See if like in another 8 to 10 months they're still in place. Alright, thanks for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.